Unfortunately, accidents happen, even to the most cautious drivers. If you've had an accident with your Toyota, you may be concerned about where it is repaired and the quality of the repair parts used. It's important to know that it is your right to decide where to get your vehicle repaired. When you talk with your insurer, make it clear that you want your vehicle restored to its original factory specifications using Toyota genuine collision repair parts, and that you want the repairs performed by a Toyota certified collision center. Your Toyota has been engineered and manufactured to very specific standards. Toyota genuine collision repair parts are designed specifically to meet these standards and subjected to the same tests and assessments as the original factory-installed parts. Repairing your Toyota properly requires detailed knowledge of these parts and how they were assembled. If you choose a Toyota certified collision center, you can be confident that your Toyota is in the hands of trained expert technicians who know your Toyota best. Using Toyota genuine collision repair parts gives you peace of mind to get back on the road with confidence. Details make the difference. Thanks for taking an inside look at your Toyota.